Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your Love Bite. Scorpio, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Oops. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Scorpio, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you again for being here. And if you're new here, Scorpio, we welcome you as well. Do join us. Subscribe to the channel. Become part of us. We welcome you in. So Page of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Emperor, Ten of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Six of Wands, Four of Wands, Judgment, and the Seven of Swords. Alright, so Scorpio, bottom of my deck, the overall energy is somebody's trying to protect their energy. Or this could also be somebody who wants to fight for this connection one more time. Could be both. Maybe one person is wanting to guard their energy and the other person is saying, hey, can we do this one more time? There is this element of somebody wanting to heal something that was broken. Okay, so let's see. What I'm going to do is start with some dialogue message cards here, Scorpio. Let's see if you guys had to say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start this reading. So Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person, Spirit. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more from here, Scorpio. Scorpio and their person. They could say something to each other. And I'll take a couple more from a different deck, Scorpio, and then we're good to go. Scorpio and their person. All right. Okay, Scorpio, let's start your reading. The first card here says, why do you feel it necessary to label me? I'm far more than any label could ever describe, and so is our connection. I want us to be able to talk through things properly. The only problem is in your presence, all I seem to have is wild, dirty thoughts about what I want to do to you. The same card came out just in the last reading, which was at Pisces, I think. Yeah. So, yes, whoever this person is has a lot of passion still for their partner. My mind is racing and my heart is breaking with the doubts and insecurities your inconsistent behavior have created. I crave for inner peace right now. My soul just feels unsettled. So a turbulent connection. I knew from the first time that I saw you that I would love you forever. Your smile made me fall in love with you, and I knew then that I wanted to wake up to see your smile every morning. I write you messages then delete them, because I just don't know what to say. I'm so sorry because I know that my silence is hurting you. I'm healing and trying to find my strength to be honest with you about how I truly feel. I have an addiction. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I ever think about, and I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. Okay, Scorpio, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. But before that, Scorpio, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels want to say to this reading. Maybe a blessing, message, guidance, or advice for you. My angels for Scorpio, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, generosity. Yes, maybe this situation right now is calling for you to be a bit compassionate or generous with your time and energy. Kindness can probably go a long way here, Cancer. Why do I keep saying Cancer? Second time I've said it. Some of you could be dealing with one. But Scorpio, yes, it's time to be a bit generous with your, maybe just compassion if nothing else. Somebody seems to be hurting big time. It's time to heal this broken heart. So here we go. Let's start with the reading, Scorpio. Page of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So something really halted here, right? Somebody was very immature in this connection, and somebody made a decision here that I can't deal with this anymore. There is no stability in this connection, and some things became kind of clear in their mind that this connection was too much of a burden to carry. Maybe they were dealing with somebody who was a bit of a narcissist, a bit of a false emperor, I would say. King of Swords came out sideways, so this is also like this came out for the Emperor in reverse. So this is like a harsh individual who is almost like a dictator. It's their way or the highway, or there was no emotional happiness. That's all I can say in this connection. And somebody made a decision that I'm very, very clear in my mind that this connection is not worth my time or energy. It's just too stressful for me, and I'm not happy here. There's no emotional happiness here. Yes, maybe there were, there was a lot of confusion. Maybe there were third parties. Maybe somebody was just kind of confused all the time and trying to check out what other options were available to them. I think in the end, one person just kind of decided, hey, I'm just going to first go in for my healing and find peace and harmony within my own life. I'm leaving this stressful situation, this burden of this conflict and unhappiness and emotional loss. I'm just going to leave it all behind, and I'm going to move on to find happiness within myself. This card did say, one card did say here that this one, right? I crave inner peace right now. My soul just feels unsettled. And that was because of this Emperor's bad behavior, I guess. So, Three of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Three of Swords in reverse. Oh, somebody has now woken up. Somebody has got that enlightenment, maybe about their own behavior. Now they realize that the person who left was the sunshine of their life. They're still hung up and still stuck on this person who left. Now this Emperor now wants to show up as the Emperor upright. Okay, earlier there were the Emperor in reverse, trying to be rude and clingy or controlling or everything bad, right? But now this person has suddenly realized, oh my God, the person who can really make me happy or has always made me happy is this person. This enlightenment has come towards them, and now they want to heal the broken heart. This person now wants to have victory. They want to have victory. They want to get this person back and have a Four of Wands energy, maybe get married or engaged, or, and they want a rebirth of this connection. Six of Wands, Spirit. Six of Wands. Yes, somebody is now recognizing, that the reason that person is holding back or is not being with them or is keeping themselves guarded is because they were maybe a player in the past, maybe they were very immature, and they were very unwise as well. I think this recognition or realization is coming to this Emperor, and now they want to kind of show up in a better light so that they can now get their victory by getting that person back into their life, because they've realized this is the person who makes me happy. Four of Wands, Spirit. Four of Wands. Four of Wands. Yes, this connection has already ended, Scorpio. Maybe this connection has already ended. Maybe this was a bad conflict or whatever you guys had. This connection has ended, and this Emperor is now realizing the part they played in creating this conflict and this ending. Now they want to come and apologize. Hey, I'm sorry. Can we get back together? You are my Four of Wands. You are my sunshine. Judgment in reverse, Spirit. Judgment in reverse. Yes, now see, now this person is looking into their future. Now when they look into their future, they realize that it's all empty. It's like a, barren space in front of them. Now they want to resurrect this past connection. One more, Spirit, for the Judgment card. Judgment. Judgment. Somebody is really stressed out here. When they think of their future, and that's exactly what I just said, they see nothing but stagnancy now. They see nothing but nothing. Okay? Now when this person is looking into their future, they see no movement at all. It's over. They now are stressed out. They are thinking. They are like imprisoned in their brain, thinking, what should I do to get this connection back again? But see, again, they're coming up as with a plan, which is the Seven of Swords plan. Let's see that what this is. Seven of Swords, Spirit. Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords. They will be communicating, but be aware there are still some secrets this person has. They will be communicating regarding, hey, can we begin again? Can we start again? This could be on the pretext. They won't come in straight because this person is, people don't really change, right? They've always been an emperor in reverse and the king of swords in reverse. So this person is using their brain now to figure out how they can sneak back into having this connection back into their life. Okay, so they may come in the pretext of maybe some help or some working together, or can you help me with that? Can we work together on something? Basically what they want is that their partner should not move on. They're trying to create some kind of a stagnancy in their person's life so that they don't move on without them. Am I right, Spirit? Am I right about this Seven of Swords? Yes, see? They're trying to block off a new beginning for their partner. They don't want their partner to go on for a creative, happy, new beginning for themselves. They're trying to create some barriers here. This could be in any form, saying, hey, I'm not well, can you come and help me? Or that could be something to do with the children, or maybe work or something. They're trying to be sneaky about it. This person is still not coming in correct to say, hey, I love you and I'm sorry for what happened. They are only calling their partner back because now they feel that they have nothing to look forward to. And they do know that this was the best thing in their life, their sunshine, who can kind of make their world bright again. So just be a little mindful. Yes, be generous with your time, energy, but please keep your boundaries up, okay? Somebody could be very loving, kind and sweet and emotional, so please don't get taken for granted either. Don't get used. Keep on moving. Luck is on your side. You have to keep on moving. Stick with your spirituality. Your guides will be, kind of with you, so don't worry about anything. Luck is on your side, whoever this other person is, the feminine, I think. Just kind of be generous, but don't get sucked into something which may or may not be good for you. Of course, these are general collective readings. Scorpio, I can't give one verdict for all, but just be mindful of why this person doesn't want you to move on. Okay? That's all I have for you till Wednesday now. Next Wednesday. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.